I would like to present to you the carbon story. First question, what is carbon? Carbon is an atom that usually contains 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons. Carbon is the fourth most abundant element in the universe. Carbon is formed inside of stars and is released when stars explode. In our atmosphere, the majority of carbon is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a colorless, odorless gas that makes up about 0.05% of our air. Carbon moves through our atmosphere and can be absorbed and emitted by different organisms and processes on Earth. The movement of carbon around the planet is called the carbon cycle. One process that removes carbon from the atmosphere is photosynthesis. Green plants use energy from sunlight to create food and grow. Plants absorb water and carbon dioxide from the environment. Along with sunlight, they are able to create glucose, starches, carbohydrates, and amino acids. Carbon is a necessary element in all molecules needed for life. In fact, living organisms are always dependent on carbon. This sapling is growing. Plants grow by absorbing carbon from the air and changing it into cellulose and starch. These molecules provide support and structure for the plant to grow tall. Dried wood is 49% carbon. Bodies of water, like oceans, bays, and lakes, can absorb carbon from the air. This carbon helps to build different marine animal shells. Shells and other dead sea organisms were trapped by mud millions of years ago. The pressure changes the carbon into oil and natural gas. Swamps and marsh plants trap carbon as they grow. If they are buried and placed under high pressure, their carbon will change into coal and natural gas. These are the ways the Earth can absorb carbon. Carbon can be released in multiple ways too. When organisms decompose, carbon is released back into the air. When humans operate cars, we burn oil in order to produce energy. Carbon dioxide is created and is released back into the air. Some buses run on natural gas. This reduces the amount of carbon dioxide created by operating the vehicle. Currently, burning coal at power plants creates the majority of America's electricity. Coal releases the largest amount of carbon dioxide when burned compared to the other fossil fuels. When humans clear forests for lumber, paper, or farming, they add to the carbon in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Experts think that if we add too much carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, the Earth will warm up. This effect is called global warming.